This lipstick claims to last 24 hours. 24 hours. Is it magic? Is it witchcraft? We're gonna find out. I was browsing the shelves the other day. I was shopping. I came across this product. It intrigued me. It left my curiosity going and I could not leave without buying it. So here we are. It is called the Superstay 24-Hour Color by Maybelline. Maybe it's Maybelline. There's 2 instructions on here. First step, lip color. Next step, balm top coat. You know, I think this one might be the one that seals it in, that makes it all So first off, I'm gonna clean off my lips because I have some makeup on them from what I was doing before. I have a little lip scrub. I love this one because it tastes like mint. Let's put it on because the lips are ready. They've been scrubbed. Step number 1, the base. It's kind of small. You know, the product is minimal, but it's gonna last all day, so we don't need to reapply. That smells good. I'm gonna put on my normal lip shape. Some days I like to overline, you know? I like to feel a little juicier, but not today. I'm just gonna wait for it to dry for a little bit. Honestly, I find it's kind of moisturizing, kind of dry. It's like the best of both. I don't know. It also just feels like a regular lipstick, so we'll see. So there's actually no instructions on here. I kind of wish there was. It just says 1 and oh, it is drying. It is drying. I can feel it getting like crispy. Can you guys see it? It feels crispy. No color. I think I might be safe to put on the top coat. Ooh, this is like a balm. I thought it was gonna be another one of those little tubes. Balm top coat. Let me tell ya, there's not a mark of the lipstick on there. Okay, we have it on. It does feel a little tight on the lips. It feels like I burnt it a little bit in the sun. And this is hour 1. It is currently 10:30-ish, give or take like 5 minutes. And we are gonna check back in an hour. I'm gonna give you guys hourly updates. I'm aiming to only wear this for about 12 hours because I just can't stay up for 24 hours and give you guys the updates. Maybe we can on a different day. If you guys wanna really put it to the test, you know, if you like and subscribe. Yes, you guys in an hour. It's been 1 hour and I'm liking it. I still feel good. They feel glossy, they feel hydrated. I don't think it's transferring. Like maybe some of that balm is, but none of the actual lipstick is. So I'm going to be going out for lunch right away, and I'll give you guys an update at lunch in an hour. Time to go out for lunch with me, and the first thing I had to try was drinking some pop with this lipstick. How'd we do? It's staying on. We did good, people. We did good. Sisters approved. And then I got a chicken Caesar salad, as you should. The garlic bread was unreally amazing. And honestly, I felt like the lipstick was good. It stayed on the whole meal. The whole meal. I'm lucky that my sisters are going to the bathroom, so I can actually say this, but like that's insane. Next up, we went to the arcade, and my older sister is a Deal or No Deal master. And I just tried to play my heart out at skee ball. I literally love that game. I could play it the whole entire time that we were there. It's 1:30. It's staying on. Genius. So does the NBA call me or do I call them? Okay, it's been 4 hours. My tongue's blue because we got slushies, but it's hanging on. I feel like it's kind of drying a little bit. The top coat has definitely worn off, but I'm not hating it. So it's 3:30. We're halfway through. We're crushing it, and we just barely are halfway done thrifting. So we went to a few stores in the city that's close to me, and now we're just in the town that I live in. Not that you guys really care. We're about the lipstick here. It's about the lipstick. It's been about 5 hours, so like halfway through the wear time of the 12-hour mark, and it does feel a little bit dry. I think I would like to put on the top coat if I was gonna wear this as like an everyday lipstick. I'd probably reapply with the top coat or chapstick, but that's not what we're doing today. Today we are just wearing it as we applied it, and you know, the color is still staying on. It's great, so let's keep going. I wish I had size 6 feet for these heels alone. They're just so cool. I don't know. So I'm back home. It's been a long day of thrifting. It is now 4:30. It's actually almost closer to 5, not gonna lie, but here we are. I don't know if I should be doing like side-by-sides of what it looks like. Honestly, like, still no color. It still feels dry. I really would love to put some chapstick on, but for the sake of the test, we're not doing it. So I'm gonna cook some supper. I'm trying to eat a little bit healthier, so we're gonna attempt to make a stir fry. The hair definitely is getting messier as the day goes on, and that's fine. We're just dealing with it. See you guys in an hour. Okay, we are cooking in the kitchen. I hope you don't fall behind my stove. Ah! You did fall behind my stove. You did. How do I get you back? Oh my goodness. Ugh. Gotcha. That is so awkward. I had to take out that whole thing. That was actually insane. We're lucky there was nothing in the oven. We're just cooking is what we're doing. We're making some chicken. I forgot to put seasoning on it already, so I need to do that before I keep flipping. So, ignoring basically everything that just happened, the chicken is cooking. The lipstick looks good. Honestly, I feel like it is gonna be kind of the same throughout the rest of the day. We'll see how it is after I eat supper, but it's holding on for dear life. How was your trip? How was your trip down my stove? Was it a good time? I feel like I watched that video back and I'm like, how did you not know? Like, there is not that big of a gap, but there's a gap. So I'm sorry that I let you guys fall down there. Like, that's on me. I got a bunch of cool stuff thrifting, and I feel like I'm just gonna show you one thing. I'm gonna show you one thing that I got because I'm very excited about it. And I feel like you guys would be, I don't know if you'd be excited, but you'd be intrigued. So I was walking past the thrift store and I saw this in the window. And it is this giant like porcelain cat. And I think it's amazing because I have a long-haired cat, my little buddy Cooper. This is him, the gentle giant himself. And I just feel like if I paint this to look like him and then set it up in our garden, it would be amazing. But it cost me $6. And I feel like, you know what, that's not too bad. A $6 investment for a lifetime of happiness and remembering of my cat. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next hour at 6:30 and I'll let you know how it's going. Hopefully we're eating by then. So it's 7:30, we're 9 hours in. She's hanging on for dear life. She's crispy, she is faded, but she's there. And you know what? That's what counts. 7:30 check-in, here we are. I think we're doing good, honestly. I'm not hating it. Not hating it at all. I think we need some moisture, so maybe I should have a glass of water. I don't know if that will help. We'll experiment, but it would help me. So I should do it. It's 8:30 and I've been scrolling on TikTok for probably the last hour. Like I've moved 1 foot on the couch. I was sitting over here and now I'm sitting over here. So if that doesn't tell you what an exciting life I'm living, I don't know what will. I think I might go for a walk in a little bit. It was really smoky outside today, but it's just really clearing. So maybe at 9:30 you'll see me on a walk, strutting my stuff. But yeah, honestly, it's still getting a little drier as every hour goes on. I don't think I would like to be out in public with this mess of lipstick right now, just because my lips look pretty chapped, but it's still there. So can we really hate it? No, we're just embracing it at this point. So it's 9:30 people, and we went on a walk and it was glorious. It actually wasn't too bad outside. I wore a little jacket. Mason came with me and the lipstick is holding on. Again, I think it has faded a little bit since the beginning of the day. It was a little bit dry, but the walk was fun. I had to step over some goose poop from all these geese, and Mason decided that he should go and taunt the geese and see if they will let him chase them. They weren't too bad today. And then we saw these little ducks, and they were all huddled by one of the fountain lights, and it was so cute, and I just love little ducks. Of course, for the biggest reveal of the whole entire video, my microphone's off. So this is me saying, time for the big reveal, 10:30 p.m., closer to 11 probably. And I'm ready to take it off. So this is what the lipstick looks like right now, you know? She's faded, the lighting is bad. Who knows what else I'm saying right now, but it seemed like something important. And now I'm just rubbing off all the lipstick. I'm trying to rub it on my hand, and you can see that there is literally nothing transferring onto my hand, which is genius. It showed that it was working and it was holding in place. And then I decided to use some micellar water to try and remove it and just see if that's going to take off any of the lipstick. Again, I'm so sorry about the audio. I'm so mad at myself for my microphone not working. I can't believe I didn't turn it on. And now I'm just pouring in some micellar water to try and take off half of the lipstick. I'm just seeing what it looks like if I try and only take off the left side of my lips and see if there is like a dramatic color difference, because in the morning there definitely would have been a dramatic one. But like I said, I think it has faded a little bit throughout the day. But there is color coming off, so that is a promising sign, because it did not come off on my hand, but it is coming off on the little napkin. And here you can see more of a closer kind of side by side. And then I'm going to go off and rub the whole thing with an actual makeup wipe, because I just feel like I want to get it all off, see kind of how it all looks when I'm scrubbing it off my face. Honestly, you guys, honest review, I'm really impressed. I feel like it held up so well. And I didn't even mention to you guys, but it is actually 11 p.m. because we were watching TV and I just caught up in the moment of life, and I did not film a little update at 10:30. So it has been more than 12 hours since we have applied the lipstick. And honestly, it stayed on all day. I ate meals, I drank water, I went for a walk outside, I played skee ball, trying times, I know. and it stayed amazingly. I feel like the color did fade a little bit throughout the day, but I think that might also just be like the glossiness faded throughout the day. So I think if you're gonna buy it, I would still carry it with you just to retouch the kind of gloss vibe. Other than that, it was unreal. Literally, I would buy it again. I wanna get more and more colors. I wanna try a vibrant red one of these days. I think that'd be so cool. So let me know if you wanna see what the red would look like after 12 hours. Maybe we could do another video. You know, we can hang out again. Speaking of hanging out again, if you guys want to see me again, subscribe, hang out, leave a little comment, maybe. Yeah, have a good day. Thanks for hanging out with me for 12 hours. It was good to see ya.